This is a certified pre-owned 2007 Acura RL. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, an electronic throttle, performance tires, rear sunshades, rear impact crumple zones, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 47,000 miles. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.